Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sumukascha Yekadantascha Kapilo Gajakarnakaha Lambodharascha Vikato Vignarajo Vinayakaha Dhumaketurganadhaha Palachandro Gajananaha Vakratundaha Surpakarno Herambaha Skandapurvajaha Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopasantaye Yasyadvaradavaktraadhyaha Parishadhyaha Parasatam Vignam Nigdhanti Satatam Vishvaksenam Tamasraye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheswaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Now with Bhagavan's grace, let us take up chapter 14. Okay. Chaturdaso Adhyayaha. Atha Chaturdaso Adhyayaha. Now the 14th chapter. We talk about there are forebodings, signs that come that Bhagavan Sri Krishna has given up his earthly sojourn. As they say, he given up the body, the avataram has ended. And Arjuna comes home, comes back to the palace and extremely distraught. That's what we're going to be covering on this. Slokam number 1. Suta Uvacha. Suta is continuing. Remember, he is narrating to Saunaka and all the other rishis of what happened. And because of that, we are able to know the Bhagavata story, the Purana. Suta Uvacha. Number 1. Samprasthite Dvarakayam Jishnau Bandhu Didrukshaya Jnatum cha Punya Slokasya Krishnasya cha Vicheshtitam. Samprasthite Dvarakayam Jishnau Bandhu Didrukshaya Jnatum cha Punya Slokasya Krishnasya cha Vicheshtitam. Samprasthite, having gone to. Jishnau is another name for Arjuna. Dvarakayam samprasthite, having gone to Dvaraka. Arjuna having gone to Dvaraka. Bandhu Didrukshaya. Bandhu, all his relatives. Didrukshaya, he wanted to see them. So he went to Dvaraka. He went along with Krishna. Okay, it's important to understand. When Krishna left for Dvaraka, that we saw earlier, Arjuna also went with him. That's not mentioned here, but that's what happened. So, Jnatum cha punya slokasya krishnasya cha vicheshtitam. And he went there to Dvarakayam Jishnau, Bandhu Didrukshaya, to see his relatives, and Jnatum, also to know Punya Slokasya Krishnasya. Punya Slokam is a beautiful, beautiful appellation from Vedas that talk about Bhagavan. Okay? And Punya does not mean merit and all that, as we saw in our normal language and understanding. Punyam is Pavitram Pavitranam, the purity of purity itself. Okay? And that is what Punyam. Slokasya, the most worshipable, is Krishnasya, that Krishna Bhagavan. Vicheshtitam, what was Krishna Bhagavan doing? Actually, Arjuna went with him, to see because Krishna asked him to go with him. Okay, that's another thing to know. As Krishna was getting on the chariot, he actually turned around and asked Arjuna to go along with him and spend some time with him. And so to see the relatives and also to spend time with Bhagavan Krishna. Krishna and Arjuna are nothing but Nara-Narayanas. Okay, Arjuna and Krishna are nothing but Nara-Narayanas. Inseparable. And so he asked him to go with him. So Vicheshtita means the various activities that Krishna was doing. Who would not give up, who would not give anything to be with Bhagavan and spend the day with him and partake in the exhibition of that selfless love. So Arjuna went with him. So Jnatum cha punya slokasya krishnasya cha vicheshtitam. Okay, all the activities of Krishna he wanted to also know and partake in that prema that only Bhagavan, only Avataram can give. Samprasthite Dvarakayam Jishnau Bandhu Didrukshaya Jnatum cha punya slokasya krishnasya cha vicheshtitam. Number 2. Vyatitaha katichit masaha tada na ayat tataha arjunaha tadarsa ghora rupani nimittani kuru uddvaha. Vyatitaha katichit masaha tada na ayat tataha arjunaha tadarsa ghora rupani nimittani Kuru Uddvagaha. Kuru Uddvagaha. Uddvagaha means the most glorious with so much force that the power, the most powerful of the Kuru lineage, Yudhishthira. Vyatitaha, after passing by, Katichit, a few masaha, months. Okay. Tada, after that, Tataha Arjunaha, that Arjuna who went with Krishna to Dwaraka, na ayat, he had returned. Dadarsa Gora Rupani Nimittani. So this Kuru Uddvaha Yudhishthira, Dadarsa saw, witnessed Gora Rupani, most fearsome and frightful Nimittani, omens, signs. He saw them. Vyatitaha katichit masaha tada na ayat tataha arjunaha dadarsa ghora rupani nimittani kuru uddvaha. Number 3. Kalasya cha gatim raudram viparjastha rut dharminaha papiyasim nunam vartam krodha lobha anruta atmanam. Kalasya cha gatim raudram viparjastha rutu dharminaha papiyasim nunam vartam krodha lobha anruta atmanam. What happened? Kalasya cha gatim, as time passed by, this Raudram, remember he started seeing Ghora Rupani Nimittani. What happened to those bad and fearful, frightful, frightening omens? As time passed by, these Raudram, all the frightful omens and the various signs, Viparjastya, they changed. Viparjastya means it's not now Viparjastya, it's Viparjastya. They changed, they actually reversed. They going counter to what? Counter to what? Rutu dharminaha. Rutu, the various months and the seasons that we have. Every season has got a dharma. A spring season has to behave like a spring season, cannot behave like winter, right? Everything is in balance. We all know that. But so the dharmam of every season actually got changed in a frightful way. That continued to happen as time passed by. The seasons actually changed. They were not behaving themselves. Papiyasim nrunam vartam. The nrunam, the human beings, vartam, for their livelihood, papiyasim, conducted a very sinful, became very sinful livelihood they were following through krodham, through anger, lobham, greed and miserliness. And anruta atmanam, anruta, untruthful, lying. That people started doing that. Atmanam, by themselves, they started. This is beautiful. The time is controlling that. Okay, as Sukamunivar tells Parikshit later, it is not your problem that you are doubting Krishna's divinity. A greatest devotee like you yourself, for a second you doubted the Krishna's divinity. It's not your problem. Even though a great devotee like you, it is the characteristics of the Kali Yugam. So remember that. That is Bhagavan's Leela. So the seasons have started changing. Frightful omens are there, and season, like, getting hurricanes or whatever you think of. Okay, and people have started leading sinful lives. Remember, that's when the change took place. Prior to that, there was lots of truth. On a general basis, people were following Satyam. Now people are becoming angry. They become greedy and miserly and becoming selfish and anruta, being untruthful. कालस्य स गतिं रौद्रां विपर्यस्य ऋतुधर्मिणः पापीयसीं नृणां वार्तां क्रोध लोभ अनृत आत्मनाम्. Number 4. जिह्म प्रायं व्यवहृतं साध्य मिश्रं च सौहृदम् पितृ मातृ सुहृत् भ्रातृ दंपतीनां च कल्कनम्. What happened? This is what happening today. Okay, so exactly started happening then. जिह्म प्रायं व्यवहृतं साध्य मिश्रं च सौहृदम् पितृ मातृ सुहृत् भ्रातृ दंपतीनां च कल्कनम्. जिह्म प्रायं, cheating, outright cheating, which was very common in our life now, started happening. Jihva prayam, cheating. Vyavahrutam, in all ordinary common transactions. Ordinary common transaction, cheating has started taking place. Sadhya and duplicity, hypocrisy, deception. Sadhya means duplicity, and saying one thing, doing something else. That is duplicity. Sadhya, that started taking place. Cheating started taking place in all common transactions. And Saurudam, even among well-wishers, Misram cha, adulteration, pollution, even in common transactions between well-wishers who really wish well for each other, deception started taking place, cheating started taking place, adulteration, pollution started taking place, duplicity started taking place. Pitru, Matru, Suhrutu, Bhratru, Dampatinam cha Kalkanam. Pitru, fathers, Matru, mothers, Suhrutu, well-wishers, Bhratru, brothers, Dampatinam, among husband and wife. Kalkanam, quarrels started happening. Mutual quarrels. It is not one person fighting with another. Mutually they were fighting with each other. Jihma prayam vyavahrutam sadhyam isram cha saurudam pitru matru suhrutu bhratru dampatinam cha kalkanam. Number 5. Nimittani ati arishtami kaletu anugate nudam lobha adi adharma prakrutim drishtva uvacha Anujam Nrupaha. Nimittani ati arishtami kaletu anugate nunam lobha adi adharma prakrutim drishtva uvacha Anujam Nrupaha. Nrupaha, the king, Anujam uvacha, his brothers, younger brothers, drishtva, after seeing, what did he see? Nimittani ati arishtami. Nimittani, all these omens, all these signs. Ati. Ati means very much, extreme. Arishtami, the badness, the frightfulness, okay, the fearfulness. They were all extreme. Drishtva, seeing that. But kaletu anugate nurnam. Nurnam, all the humanity, all the human beings, as kaletu anugate means as time passed by, the king saw that all these omens and signs and characteristics of human beings only increased. Ati, they become more and more. Lobha adi adharma prakrutim. Lobha adi, lobha, greed, miserliness, adi, those 6 arishtavargams, all the 6 enemies that we have, right? And kamam, krodham, moham, madham, matsaryam, lobham, all these 6 enemies, they only started ati arishtami, they becoming more and more. And because of that, adharma prakruti, adharma, the adharmic, sinful, fearful, non-beneficial, hurtful, harmful, violent, prakrutim, habits of nirnam, of human beings, ati arishtami, it increased more and more. Drishtva, seeing this, Nrupaha, the king, Anujam uvacha, spoke to his younger brothers. Nimittani ati arishtami kaletu anugate nunam lobha adi adharma prakritim drishtva uvacha Anujam Nrupaha. Number 6. Yudhishthira uvacha. Yudhishthira spoke. Sampreshitaha dvarakayam jishnuhu bandhu didrukshaya Jnatum cha punya slokasya krishnasya cha vicheshtitam. Exactly the same slokam number 1. Same thing is repeated. He says, Arjuna went to Dwaraka and to see his relative, and also to participate and partake in this selfless love, the prema, or the various activities of this avataram Krishna, who is the most worshipful one. He went there. Dwaraka he went. Sampreshitaha Dwarakayam Vishnuhu Bandhu Didrukshaya Jnatum cha punya slokasya krishnasya cha vicheshtitam. 7. Gataha saptadhuna masa o Bhimasena tava anujaha na ayati kasya va hetoho na aham veda idam anjasa. Gataha saptadhuna masa Bhimasena tava anujaha na ayati kasya va hetoho na aham veda idam anjasa. Oh Bhimasena, he addresses Bhimasena. Bhima, sapta adhuna masa gataha. Sapta adhuna, to date. Since he went today, sapta 7 masaha, months, gataha, have gone by. O Bhimasena, tava anujaha, your younger brothers, after the na ayati, he has not come back. 7 months have passed by since he left. Kasya va hetoho, what is the reason for this? Aham na veda, I don't know. Ida here, anjasa, factually, what is the truth? What has happened? Why he has not come back? I really don't know. I don't have any facts, any knowledge about it. Kataha saptadhuna masa Bhimasena tava anujaha na ayati kasya va hetoho na aham veda idam anjasa. Number 8. Api devarishina adishtaha saha kalaha ayam yada atmanaha api devarishina adishtaha saha kalaha ayam upastitaha yada atmanaha angam akridham bhagavan utsisrikshati. Api devarishina adishtaha saha kalaha ayam upastitaha yada atmanaha angam akridham bhagavan utsisrikshati. Api, whether, could it be devarishina, by the devarishi Narada himself, adishtaha, he instructed us, he told us. Remember, he said, when he came and said, Yudhishthira, avataram Krishna has come, this whole thing, this Isvaravasam Jagat, the one who is controlling everything, that Krishna, he's come here as Krishna, but he has done most of his work for the reason for which he came, but maybe a little bit of his remaining. Till then you observe and wait. He advised, instructed Yudhishthira. So he is recalling that. Devarishina, by Narada, Devarishi Narada, Adishtaha instructed, Saha Kalaha Ayam Upastitaha. Saha, his Kalaha, that is Krishna's, okay? Kalaha Tayam, Ayam here, Upastitaha, has arrived. Has the time arrived for Krishna to leave his body, as he himself has willed, as Narada instructed us? Could it be because of that? Api, he is saying, Yada Atmanaha Angam Akridham Bhagavan Utsisrikshati. This Bhagavan Krishna, Yada, he has come here in which way? Atmanaha, by himself. Angam, yes, Angam means the physical embodiment, as a Akridham, which is a divine manifestation, which means the avataram of Krishna that he has come. Angam Akridham, Atmanaha, by his own glory, Atmanaha, by his own self. Nobody else can, because he responds to the call of a devotee. That's why Bhagavan manifests. And Angam Akridham, divine manifestation and embodiment of a human being that they can all relate to. This Bhagavan, Utsisrikshati, Yada Utsisrikshati. Is it because Utsisrikshati, the Bhagavan, is going to quit his body that is in manifesting here in a divine way? Is he going to quit?
That body is going to leave. That's what he's saying. Api Devarishira Adishtaha Saha Kalaha Ayam Upasthitaha Yada Atmanaha Angam Akridham Bhagavan Uttisrikshati. Number 9. Yasman Naha Sampadaha Rajyam Daraha Pranaha Kulam Prajaha Asan Sapatna Vijayo Lokaha Cha Yat Anugrahat. Anuprahat. Once it should be Anugrahat. Okay? Yasman Naha Sampadaha Rajyam Daraha Pranaha Kulam Prajaha Asan Sapatna Vijayo Lokaha Cha Yat Anugrahat. Yasman, by whose? Anugrahat, grace, compassion, Bhagavan's love, grace. There's no other way to describe it. Daya, as Nigamanda Desikan says, and because that is Bhagavan's love, and love has no reason, no season, and it only expands all the time. And because of that Anugraham, okay, Yasman Anugrahat, this Krishna, whose Anugraham, Naha, us, all of us, Sampadaha, our wealth, Rajyam, the kingdom, Daraha, wives, Pranaha, our life force, Kulam Prajaha, also the children to carry on our lineage. Asan has become possible. It has been, all this have become possible, have been given to us because Yasman Anugrahate, by whose grace, that Krishna, Sapatna Vijayoho, and Sapatna means all enemies. Vijayoho, we conquered them, we became victorious because Yasman Anugrahate, whose Anugraham, that Krishna, Lokaha Cha, all the, not only us, even all the beings in this lokam, all the beings in this world, our citizens, our prajas, everybody, it's all become possible. They all got what they have. We all have what we have. All these things because of His grace only. Whose grace? Has He decided to quit? That's it, attached to the previous lokam. Okay? That Krishna. Yasman Naha Sampadaha Rajyam Daraha Pranaha Kulam Prajaha Asan Sapatna Vijayo Lokaha Cha Yat Anugrahate. Number 10. Pasya Utpatan Nara Vyagra Divyan Bhauman Sa Daihikan Darunan Sam Satoho Adurat Bhayam Naha Buddhi Mohanam. Pasya Utpatan Nara Vyagra Divyan Bhauman Sa Daihikan Darunan Sam Satoho Adurat Bhayam Naha Buddhi Mohanam. O Vyagra Divyane, I'm sorry, Nara Vyagra, oh he's addressing Bhima, continuing. He says, Nara Vyagra, oh, you are a man of tiger-like strength. Nara Vyagra, person with that kind of a strength like a tiger, oh Nara Vyagra, is addressing Bhima. Pasya, see, Utpatan, how many disturbances are taking place around us, just watch. And these disturbances are coming from Divyan, then from nature. All the Panchabhudangal could have hurricanes, the earth can be trembling, maybe there is earthquakes, so many things that we go through in our life, the caused by what we call as natural calamities, in our English language. So those are Utpatan, but Divyan Utpatan, those are caused by the Panchabhudangal, the natural elements. And Bhauman, also with all the beings on this bhumi, so many disturbances and difficulties are caused by so many other beings to each one, right? And Sa Daihikan, also by one's own body, various difficulties and disturbances, and they're all taking place. Pasya, see all this, oh Nara Vyagra, Darunan, these disturbances, calamities, Darunan, they're all awfully dangerous. Dangerous things are taking place. samtatoho, all this tell me, they all indicate to me, adurat, in the near future, okay, bhayam naha buddhi mohanam. We all will become afraid, will be overtaken by fear and buddhi mohanam, confusion. This is going to happen. This is what all these things indicate to me, all the various bad omens and various calamities, the fearful calamities that are taking place all around us, from the earth, from the natural elements, and by ourselves. This is what they all indicate to me. Pasya utpatan naravyagra divyan bhauman sa dahikan darunan samsatoho adurat bhayam nah buddhi mohanam. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.